Hi, English learners. Welcome to English Fun. In this video, we back to practice our English listening through an inspiring story. We'll learn simple vocabulary and sentence structure while following the journey of Sari, a young Indonesian woman chasing her dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next English lesson. Now, enjoy the story.
Sari was born in Jakarta, Indonesia. She grew up in a small house with her parents and two younger brothers. Her father was a mechanic, and her mother sold food at the market. Sari loved drawing and designing clothes since she was a child. She always dreamed of working in fashion. In high school, Sari joined an art club. She spent hours sketching clothes in her notebook. Her teachers saw her talent and supported her. They encouraged her to apply to a fashion school. Sari felt excited, but also nervous. After graduation, she applied to a fashion school in Jakarta. She was accepted and began studying hard. She learned about fabrics, colors, and sewing techniques. Her favorite subject was fashion illustration. She also made many new friends. During college, Sari joined a design competition. She created a dress inspired by traditional batik patterns. Her dress won second place in the contest. Many people started to notice her talent. She felt proud of her hard work. After college, Sari wanted more experience. She found a job as a junior designer at a local clothing company. She worked there for 2 years. She learned how to work in a team and meet deadlines. Her boss liked her creativity. One day, she saw an online advertisement for a job in New York City. A famous clothing company in America was looking for new designers. Sari wanted to try, even though it seemed impossible. She prepared her portfolio carefully. Then, she sent her application by email. 2 weeks later, she received a reply. The company wanted to interview her by video call. Sari was so nervous but excited. She practiced speaking English with her friend. The interview went well. After a few days, she got great news. She was accepted as a junior designer in the company. She cried tears of happiness. Her parents were very proud of her. She started preparing for her move to America. It was her first time leaving Indonesia. She packed her clothes, sketchbooks, and favorite books. She also said goodbye to her family and friends. The flight to New York took more than 20 hours. When she arrived, everything felt new and different. In New York, she stayed in a small apartment. The city was big, fast, and full of people. She missed her family, but she was also excited. Her first day at work was scary, but her team was kind and welcoming. Her company was located in a tall building in Manhattan. She met designers from many different countries. They all loved fashion like her. Sari started working on simple designs first. She also learned about American fashion trends. Her manager gave her a big project after a month. Sari had to design a summer dress collection. She used Indonesian patterns and mixed them with modern styles. Everyone loved her ideas. Her designs were chosen for the company's next catalog. Sari worked very hard every day. She arrived early and stayed late. She wanted to show her best work. She also kept learning English. She took a class every weekend. Sometimes she felt homesick. She missed Indonesian food and her family's jokes. But she called her mother every Sunday. Her family always supported her dreams. They reminded her to stay strong. Her hard work started to pay off. One of her designs was shown at a small fashion show in New York. She saw her dress on a model for the first time. She felt proud and happy. It was a moment she would never forget. Her boss noticed her improvement. Sari was promoted to a full designer after 1 year. She now had more responsibilities. She worked on more projects and led a small team. Her dream was coming true. Sari also made new friends in New York. They came from different countries. They often went to museums and fashion events together. They shared their culture and food. Sari learned a lot from them. One day, her company asked her to present a new collection. She was nervous but ready. She made a collection inspired by Indonesian nature. The colors and patterns were beautiful. Everyone in the room clapped after her presentation. After the presentation, a fashion magazine wrote about her. They called her a fresh voice from Southeast Asia. Many people wanted to know more about her. She received messages from young designers in Indonesia. They said she inspired them. Sari wanted to help others like her. She started giving online talks and workshops. She told students in Indonesia about her journey. She encouraged them to work hard and follow their dreams. She wanted to give back to her country. Her career continued to grow. She was invited to join international fashion weeks. She traveled to Paris, Milan, and Tokyo. She showed her designs to the world. People loved her mix of cultures. Even though she lived far from home, she always remembered her roots. She still used batik and traditional patterns in her work. She talked proudly about Indonesia. Years passed, and Sari became a senior designer. She helped train new designers at her company. Many looked up to her. They respected her hard work and kind heart. Sari was now a leader in fashion. She also opened her own small brand. Her clothes were sold in New York and Jakarta. She used sustainable materials and supported local workers. Her brand became popular for its beauty and message. She was proud to help others. Sari's journey showed that dreams can come true with effort and hope. From a small home in Jakarta to big runways in New York, she made it happen. She believed in herself and worked hard every day. Her story continues to inspire many people, and she knows her journey is still not over.